the Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion impact drill driver. Bosch built hammer and anvil impact mechanism with unmatched durability. 3 modes of operation: impact mode, low-speed drill, and high-speed drill. 1,500 inch-pounds of torque in impact mode, producing 3,200 BPM. 2-speed drill, producing 2,800 RPM in high speed and 750 RPM in low speed. Bosch lithium-ion batteries, up to 50% longer runtime, superior cold weather performance, and an easy-to-read gauge. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The 18-volt lithium-ion impact drill driver. From Bosch, power tools for professionals.